In the next 10 minutes, we're going to go from a blank folder to a real one-page portfolio site that you can actually show people today, not next week, today. If you have a full job and only few hours at night, this is exactly the kind of a fast win that you need. One prompt, one preview link, one clean page with your name, your bio, your links, your contact info, and your case studies. No deep web theory, no deployment pipeline, no design rabbit hole, nothing. Just beginner safe build that you can copy right now and feel the real momentum from. And if you don't know who I am Gunay Aliyev. I am building AI automations while working a normal job and having a family. So if you want to follow the journey, stay with me. Now, quick preview before we build. This is the final one-page portfolio site. And now this is the quick preview of the portfolio site. This is the hero section with my name, role. Here are the sections of the website. And here an about section. Here are the case studies. Each case study has explanation and modal inside. And here in the case studies, even you can include your videos, either from Loom or YouTube, and also an image gallery and data metrics of the case study. So your potential clients can see what kind of results they can expect. And featured LinkedIn, GitHub, whatever links you have in order to contact you. Here you can put a form or to book a free audit straight away. And this is the portfolio page. Let's get into building it now. And also, we will deploy the website to GitHub pages so you can share the link with everyone and they can see your portfolio. So first thing, go to GitHub, open GitHub and make your account. When you are ready with your GitHub account, go to Google and search for Visual Studio Code, download it, and click here, whatever is your operation system, install it. Make sure it is Visual Studio Code, not something else. And when you are ready, you're going to see this type of a screen. And when you come here, if you don't have Claude Code installed here, you have to come on the left side on the extensions and search for Claude Code for VS Code. Click on it and click install. And after that, it will request you to log into your Claude account so you can use it here. And that's it. After that, what we're going to do now, we have to click the first icon here, which is the Explorer, and open a new folder. So we're going to open a new folder, and whenever on your PC, just go, create the folder, and rename it. I made a folder portfolio page, select the folder, and that's it. This means that we are working in this folder now with Claude Code and Visual Studio. Now we are clicking yes, trust the authors. Now you're going to see Claude on the left side, Claude Code. But if you want, you can use it from right side as well. Here you can see Claude Code as well. Now what we're going to do, I have prepared a prompt, which you can go down in the description and get from the community. In order to get the prompt, just go to the community, click the Wins tab, and here on the just search the title of this video. And when you click the video, just next to the video, you're going to see the file with the prompt. And on Claude Code, I'm straight away putting edit automatically. I'm going to paste the prompt. This is a long prompt. And after that, I'm going to just run it, and it will start building our portfolio page. And the most important thing in this portfolio page is the last step, because this will make sure that we can edit and add new case studies when we have new client or new case study. Straight away, we can come to Claude Code and say, this is my new case study added to our web page, and it will be live after 2 minutes. You don't have to go to WordPress. You don't have to create new pages to fill everything manually. Everything is going to be automatic. While Claude Code is building our website, we can go to GitHub, and when you have your account, here, you're just going to click new repository. So you have to create a repository, means new folder. And you can, so whatever you write here, it's going to appear in the link. So you can write either your name or your company name or something like that. Visibility has to be public in order to make it publicly available website, and create a repository. And that's it. After that, we're just going to need this link here in order to connect it with our folder on our PC. Just copy and save it somewhere. Now Claude has created our files, and then it is telling me in order to open our web page. So I have to run this command in my terminal in order to see the page. When you want to open a terminal in a folder, in Windows, you come to the folder path and you just write CMD, and the terminal is going to open. I'm just pasting the command, and now on localhost, I can open this page. This is the page now. Book free automation audit, practical AI. This is a case study, and when we click the case study, it is opening it with an overview, problem, solution, results, how this helped the client, daily email, time, and etc. And here it shows add a new case study. So this is how we add a case study, but we have to remove this button from here because this page is going to be public, so it doesn't have to be there. Find me online. Here you can put your LinkedIn, GitHub, and your contact information, book free audit, and that's it. This is a nice portfolio. And now we want to remove this button. Let me show you now how easy it is to make changes in this page. So here we're going to put our profile photo, and we're going to add one more case study, but with video embedded, and we will remove this button from here. So let's go to Visual Studio Code again. And here, what we're going to write is, I saw that there is a button to add case studies. Remove that because this page is going to be public, and we have to be able to add case studies only from here, from the backend. So remove this button. And now I'm going to upload my profile photo into the portfolio page folder. So please use it. And also I will give a couple of details for a new case study that I want you to add there. And now I'm going to add here my profile photo. So I have just copied and pasted my profile photo into the portfolio page. And now also I say that add one more case study card titled lead follower bot with a result text. Cut response time from 6 hours to 20 minutes. Here even we can say 2 minutes. For that case study model, add overview, problem, solution, impact, and one image placeholder, and embed this YouTube video link if valid. So this will be a just example video link that you can make your videos, for example, to some empty YouTube channel, and you can use to embed them for free and keep the existing style unchanged. And let's run it now. This is why you have to carefully examine after the page has been built to see exactly what is included in the page and what is not, because sometimes you can see that we said that case studies has to be allowed to be added, but on this side, we can see add case study button, which is not supposed to be public. And that easy, we have made the changes in the website. So we just have to go and refresh the website, and we can see that it has added my profile picture here. This stays same. And now we have also lead follow-up bot. And when we click it, straight away, people can see the video that we have attached. So you can attach a video that you are explaining here. How does it work? A Loom video or YouTube video. Here there's some banner and explanation and workflow screenshot. Here in the image gallery, you can replace with the real images of the system. If you got value from this exact moment, you can make sure that you join the community for free from the link below. And I have attached the full prompt and the steps of building this portfolio webpage there. And everything else on the webpage is same because it is on localhost, so it is on our machine. How are we gonna make it public so everyone can see and we can share our portfolio? Now you remember that we have made this new folder in GitHub. We just copy it, go to Visual Studio Code, and now we will say to Claude, now I want to publish this portfolio page to GitHub. This is the repository that I have created. It is empty. And I'm pasting the link of the repository. And I'm sending. And it is asking me if it can run this command. I am saying yes. If it is telling you to do some more things in order to log into your GitHub account and etc., you have to do the steps to log into your GitHub accounts and on your browser to authorize, to approve that you agree to connect your GitHub account with Claude Code here. Because I have connected it, it is straight away pushing it to GitHub. And now we are ready. That's easy. And now what we have to do is enable GitHub pages. So now I have to go to this link, click settings, pages, and on branch to choose the root and click save. And it will come like this. This is going to be the link of our portfolio. So let's go now there. So we are in this page. How to click settings, pages, and deploy from branch. And here on branch, we have to choose main, this one, and root. And just click save. That's it. And if you want to use custom domain, here you can use it. I'm not going to cover it right now. And now up to 2 minutes, when we refresh this page, we're going to see our GitHub page, which is public link. Here on the top, it's going to appear. And now our website is live. You can see your site is live at Muru Testing Unite. And when we visit the website, it's working with our image, lead follow bot, email triage system. Everything is here. And now I'm going to give you one more tip in order to keep your whole project and portfolio, everything really good, arranged and safe. So in order to get these screenshots, for example, and all of the images sorted in our folder, we're going to come to Claude Code and we're going to say, I want to keep all of the images for the case studies and my profile image and everything to be good arranged in folders. So can you make sure that you make this change? And after that to update my page on GitHub as well. And also I'm going to add one screenshot of an NA10 workflow just to see that if it's going to be able to put it to lead generation bot. I have added this image to the folder as well. And I will say, I have added one more image to the lead generation workflow, so you can use it in our case study as well and sort it to the folders and click enter. Now it has moved the images to images folder and case studies and profile. it will smartly adjust everything. It is updating the GitHub page as well, which means it is pushing to GitHub. And now we are done. And now let's go and check our page. Takes a couple of minutes in order to get this page updated. And now our page is updated. You can see your photo is still here. And when we go to lead follower bot, here is our video and here is our image in the workflow. If you want the image to be clickable, you can say to make it clickable. And find me online. Here are your cases. And that's it. You have already built a clear portfolio that you can showcase all of your work here. And you can change your styling, your animations, however you want with just talking to Claude. Instead of Claude, also you can use other models like Codex, and Incline you can use Xiaomi and a lot of other even free models as well in the same way. So the thinking is same, the models are different, but it doesn't matter. And now one more last thing, we're gonna come to Claude and we will say, and now knowing our process and how we work, can you create the Claude.md file for this project? So Claude.md file for this project means it's going to create a file with instructions how exactly we work in this project. So even if you open a new chat or new model or whatever, this other model will know exactly what we are doing in here. So if you throw a new photo and say, can you update this image, or can you put this new case study, and etc., it will know exactly what to do. And in order for the other models to work as well, create the Claude.md file and agents.md, identical files for this project, I'm going to say. Now it will create them. And if you want, you can keep this file local. So you don't want to update and upload them to your GitHub account. So here you're going to say, I don't want to push these files. I just want to keep them locally because they are our instructions. And you can say to Claude that you don't want to push them. And that's it. And this is going to be it. If you want to turn this simple portfolio page into your first client-ready asset, join my community using the link below. In the free area, you'll get the exact prompt templates and the beginner feedback thread so for your first page. If you want deeper support, the Paid Academy gives you the full 87-day client path, live weekly build calls, and real case studies that you can go from learning to landing your first automation client while you are working your 9 to 5. Just one action. Click the link below and post your portfolio in the wins section so we can give you feedback, or you can ask your questions in the question section. Great work today. This is the right way to start. One visible result, fast. Next, you can watch the other tutorial videos in the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.